It's story time with superhero JJ's bright ideas. Oh, I think I heard something. What is that noise, Mommy? Says superhero JJ, her eyes wide with curiosity. It is just a vacuum machine. Mommy's cleaning our home, her mother explained. JJ looked around, admiring the freshly tidied space. Wow, it looks beautiful. It's cleaning Thursday, Mommy answered with a warm, proud smile. Ah, wait, I have an idea, JJ chirped, her face lighting up with inspiration. Let me help you make our home beautiful, superhero JJ offered eagerly, ready to lend her little hands to the chore.
Like and subscribe to our channel.